Hello! How you guys doing? Hope you're discoing in every language. In the language of disco, language of love. Life without disco is no life at all. Huh? Hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing wonderful. I hope you are discoing, because disco is the truth. Please, before I start, if you want this free material from decades of experience, please please share, please comment too. Even if you put anything, the algo will circulate this video. I hope you're doing wonderful. I hope you're doing fine. This is a bullish case for gold for at least the remainder of the month. All right, so I start with TLT, the ETF for 20 plus year, and it did find, as I tweeted this, for maybe one or two people that they're good enough for me. Even if one person is following me on Twitter, I'm happy for that. I'm not good enough for anybody. Anyway, this was a perfect place for the buyers to gather, and that's what that's what happened. They did an inverted hammer and a bullish engulfing, then a gap with a filled gap too of the next day. So definitely TLT is doing wonderful when it comes to where the buyers gather. If you remember my last video, I talked also about the Bollinger Band, and it was in at the look at that. So it did find buyers at the Bollinger Band, and now at least 103. I think 108 is extremely probable. Okay, so 100% of the time in the past, when the price action finds support at the lower end of the Bollinger Band in the weekly time frame, TLT rallies to the upper end of the Bollinger Band. This is a bullish case for gold and silver and gold miners. All right, this is my sweetheart, my baby, my guiding star. This is the Japanese yen to the US dollar. And as I stated in my last video, we concluded 5 waves, and we put 1, 2, and we registered third wave. The chances of this bad boy going all the way to 76.76 is almost 99%. It's because there's nothing 100%. And it's going to get tougher and tougher, and the third wave is going to be at least 73.5, and this will put a lot of relief and a lot of support underneath the gold and gold miners. All right, so definitely a breakout in this bullish wedge with a bullish disco combo where everything is intact right here. Amazing. Let me look at it in the weekly time frame. It's amazing, man. My God, I love gold because it's just everything is just beautiful. I find it so easy to trade gold because of these. I call the golden triangle: the yen, the DXY, and the bond yields. All right. So this is the weekly time frame, and we did register an amazing. So by the weekend or by the new next week, we're going to go over 20, and this will help gold tremendously. Last time this happened was, last November, and we all know what happened to gold miners and gold in last November. Before that, oh God, beautiful up leg in late July. Okay? See, this makes everything easy to me. I just do the stuff, and it's easy to read, and I buy gold and gold miners. To me, this is a piece of cake. It makes me happy. Okay, this is the Euro USD, and there is indecision. Tomorrow, I think, the CPI report, and this might bring more sellers tomorrow, but it does not mean the euro or the dollar will go up for a long time. It could be a corrective wave, then we go up, or maybe we keep breaking up tomorrow. Okay, So indecisive candle is not good after a run, but it does not mean it's not the end of the world. You have a bullish disco combo, amazingly bullish disco combo, and also if I go back to the week, oh maroon, you have bullish disco combo in the weekly time frame, y'all. Y'all, this is too much. This is too much. So last time this happened, do we know what happened early March? Oh my God. We know what happened to gold, right? Let's see before that. Okay, the bottom of GDX was 24th of October, 2022. Okay, I'm listening. Okay. We know what happened early 2022 to gold. Do I have to tell y'all? Okay, so this makes my life easier. And that was a rally in gold too. And every bullish disco combo in the weekly time frame for the EURUSD. GLD, indecisive candle with bullish disco combo because of the report. Tamara, SLV, same thing, indecisive move, but yet we still have the bullish disco combo because of the CPI tomorrow. There's nothing bearish about this picture at all. And this is what I love the most. This is GLD GDX ratio. The lower the ratio is, the more bullish for gold and gold miners. Okay, so we're still in breakdown mode in this bearish wedge, and this is good for the ratio. And we have a bearish disco combo with negative divergence, and this is always an indicative of the top. We want this ratio to go down. Good deal. Let me look at this ratio in the weekly. Still not. There's no clear picture, but it's definitely bullish in the daily. All right, so we talked about GLD GDX ratio, SLV GDXJ ratio, the same picture. Bearish disco combo. Lower the ratio is the best for gold miners and silver and gold and everything, okay? And bearish disco combo. I feel good. I feel good whenever I see these things are intact. I can sleep at night. I can do whatever. Okay. So this is GDX, and we broke out of this bullish wedge with a positive divergence where the RSI missed 30, which is always a bottom. Always. I'm feeling better. I'm really feeling good. Okay, and we managed to close above the 10 and 20-day moving average. So what happens usually, the MACD will give you an earlier signal. Then after that, after it gets comfortably in a bullish mode, you have a bullish crossover between the 10 and 20-day moving average. And this happens 100% of the time. It will happen very soon here. And it happened last time this happened was in March. So we had a bullish MACD in March 13th. The bullish crossover was in March 16th. So only 6 days, 6 trading days before that. Also okay, so it's 100% of the time. So we have a breakout in this bullish wedge. Price action managed to close above the 10-20-day moving average, and also a bullish disco combo where the RSI missed the 30 level. Okay, this is the fan line. Also, you broke out of every fan line, and usually this means a change of trend. This happened in the past 100% of the time. Good deal. I feel good. All right, GDXJ. This is the, because it's easier for the Elliott wave count to be done in GDXJ because you have no X waves. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, and we're gonna start 3 very soon. 1 is the 5 points from this high to this low. 2 is the 62 Fibonacci retracement from this high to this low. 3 is 686 of this high to this low. Fourth is the 38% Fibonacci retracement from this high to this low. Then we have an equal wave, 5 equals to 1, which is really typical. Then we have 1, 2, and we have a round trip now. Okay, a round trip. You broke down, you registered second wave, and 1, 2, 1, 2, and now we closed above this thing here, and it's the same is true in GDX. You can see it here. You have a round trip, and you closed above this resistance. I love trading gold. It makes me really feel good about myself, man. I understand it through and through, and it makes me happy. I swear to God. And this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, and the third wave is going to be registered once the RSI goes over 50, and automatically tomorrow it is going to be over 50. If we have an okay CPI report, oh madonna mia, up we go, sweethearts. Okay, up we go, really up we go. I love gold. I really love gold. I love trading gold. It's my bread and butter, man. I love it. I understand it. I love it. I understand the triangle. I understand the relationships. I understand the correlations. I just love it. It is absolutely an asset class that is impossible to manipulate. Impossible to manipulate. Nobody could pump it. Nobody can dump it. It is an absolute golden asset. Gold is. Please like if you like. Please comment. Please share. Please subscribe and have this material, free material, uploaded regularly. Please be grateful. Be nice as you are. And do remember, disco is forever.